Hey, yo, what's up everybody? This is Huey and we're back with another video, and today we have withdrawn all our money, so we're going back to the smallest bids, to the smallest trades. As you can see, we have $100, and I did it with the purpose to show you guys that you can absolutely start off with $100 and make your way up to 10,000, 15, and even 20,000 at times. As you can see here, I have withdrawn $53,000, and we've been doing it every 2-3 weeks. So this is a very good income for somebody who doesn't work a 9 to 5, and you can have the same income. And I will show you how to. Today we have a strategy that will use 1 minute time frame, and also I'm going to try this digital trading here, so we're gonna see if it actually works. We're gonna need Shaft's trend cycle, so we go ahead, we change the length here to 29, the slow length to 47, cycle length we change to 7, and then 2 and 2. Change the thickness of all of the parameters here to 2, just so it's more visible. Now next thing that we're gonna need is stochastic oscillator, so go ahead, set it up, edit it, change the period to 10 and the second period to 2, smoothing period to 2 as well, all of these to 2 pixels as well. And you can change the K period to the color of K period. You can leave the color as it is, or actually make it a little bit visible, more visible, by maybe selecting like a white color or something. Like, let's go with white here. So, and the last one that we need is going to be the fractal indicator. Let's edit. You can leave it as it is. So for the first few trades, we're going to leave it as it is, but after I'm going to change it to show you how to make it more informative. So you can change just the colors. So here we have already the first possible entry. As you can see, we start with $10. We're not gonna go in big. Even when I'm trading with $100, I'm still doing the 10%. So you can see we have 15 seconds, because that's how digital trading works. We have a certain time, and it's gonna add the time that is left to that time as your expiration time. And now let's actually proceed after this and see if we can find more entries. And here already we spot a decent entry, so let's set it to 30 seconds here and go in with a short position. As you can see, Shaft's trend cycle is currently above the 75 level. That's what we want. And also stochastic oscillator is exiting the buy position. It was in overbought condition, and now we also received a signal from the fractal that signals that we should take a short trade, and this is exactly what we do. We have 10 seconds left on this option, and I think I'll do maybe one more, two more before I switch to regular expiration time of 1 minute to show you how it is done. And here we are, we already made $35, and that's how you basically build up your balance. But now let's continue and see if we can find more. Let's go. And here we have another entry, so we're gonna enter a few seconds here. As you can see, the price is going down, and that's what we need to see. You see Shaft's trend cycle is above the 75 level, and our stochastic oscillator is moving down, and also we get a signal from fractal. So as you can see, we had a little bit of time, but you want to actually set it yourself. However, we're gonna do a few more trades like this and then switch to the regular trading. Now let's proceed and try to find more entries. And here we are, and we have another great entry. So let's enter with $15, because we are now having this being our 10% of the balance. As you can see, we received a signal from the fractal. We had the fractal print us the signal, and also we have stochastic oscillator leaving the oversold condition, and just as easy as that, we secure another dub. And here we are already almost at $200, so let's proceed and see if we can find more entries. And here we have another possible entry. As you can see, I changed the expiration time to just quick trading. So we're actually going to enter a 1 minute trade all the time. And here we are. You can see that stochastic oscillator is leaving the overbought condition. We have Schaff's trend cycle being above the 75 level. So this is an easy entry for us. We enter triple with $15 each. And also, you're not always going to be looking for fractal. If you see clear signs that the price will go down, like stochastic oscillator in Schaff's trend cycle, sometimes you can enter without the fractal signal. However, my advice, if you're just starting out, make sure to just follow the strategy as it is. Make sure you have everything in line, everything is checked, and every requirement is met when you're taking a trade, and that would include the fractal being there as well, and you would have a signal printed that would tell you to enter a short position. And here we are closing, and 1, 2, and 3. Last second, actually, the price jumped and we could have lost $15. However, we ended up winning, and we are at 219 now. So that means we can increase our trading amount to $20 on our next trade. So let's proceed and find our next entry. Let's go. Actually, we won't skip because I think we can find some candidates pretty soon right here. And also, I think, yes, actually, we are going to change the fractal to display the red indicator above the candle when you should take short position, and the green indicator below the candle when you want to take a long position. So just change these colors places. So if you get a red fractal above the candle, that means that you should enter short position if all the other requirements are met. And now, only after this, let's proceed and find another entry. Once again, here we are finding a perfect entry. Even though I should be entering 30 seconds, I am going with 1 minute triple $20 entries. As you can see, the stochastic oscillator is leaving the overbought condition, and we have Schaff's trend cycle being above the level 75, and also we have the fractal printing us a red fractal, which means that we should be entering a short position. Now let's see if we actually end up winning or not. Hopefully yes, because I feel like the price should be going down in this situation here. But of course, I always say expect to lose some money when you're trading, because nothing is guaranteed and you can't be sure 100% that your trade is going to go through. And if you go into trading with a mentality that every trade you're gonna take is going to be successful, you're gonna get disappointed, and eventually you're just gonna stop trading and quit. And here we are closing this trade here. All 3 trades went through, so we're 271, guys. So far so good, not a single loss yet, and we should be good here. We should be waiting for a fractal signal here before we enter. So I'm going to wait for red fractal to appear before entering, and here it is, and immediately we enter a triple and a 4th trade on top of it. As you can see, everything is met right now. We had the red fractal being printed above the candle, which signals that we should be entering a short position. Also, Schaff's trend cycle is above the level 75, and stochastic oscillator is exiting a overbought condition, so a no-brainer entrance. And as you can see, the price is going down, and hopefully it stays that way. 30 seconds left, and we are looking at a pretty big $150 return, which will put us at approximately $360, I think so. And already we have increased our trading amount to $30, so you can see how fast you can build up from $100 if you are picking your trades carefully and if you manage your money. You see, I didn't go with $100 on my first trade, right? There it is. That's the first, the second, the third, and the fourth all go in $343, and that means that we can change the trading amount to $30 on our next trade. But before we go, guys, I want to remind to join the free signals group that is available absolutely for everyone. All you need to do is follow the link in the description below to this group. Join today. You'll immediately get access to the free signals that we're giving away every day when there's a trading session in private trading group. You can participate in giveaways here and win $100 for yourself. And of course, if you want your trading history to look like this, 90% success rate, $13 in profit for 1 week. This is 5 days of trading. If you want your trading history to look like this, you should be absolutely joining the private trading group and doing your best to hop into the private trading sessions with Neos. Once you join, all of that is going to be available for you right off the bat. Be aware though that the spots in this group are limited, so hurry up and join now, because later it will be super hard to get into this group, since we're rolling out a lot of content for this group really soon and the spots will vanish. So now is your best chance. We still have a few spots left, so hurry up, join us and participate in the giveaway as soon as you join. Win $100 for yourself if you're low on deposit. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like. So guys, don't hesitate, join us. And now let's get back into trading and finish up. I want to get to $500, so let's go. And here we are having another great entry possibility. You can see that we had a fractal print, a green signal below the candle, and also stochastic oscillator is leaving the oversold condition, and Schaff's trend cycle is below the 25 level. So this is an easy 1 minute long trade, and as you can see, so far so good. Not much movement here on the candle. However, it doesn't matter. All that matters is the end result. So we're gonna stick it out and see. But as you can see here, guys, the strategy in itself is pretty easy. We already went from $100 to 370, I think it was. So you can see like how fast you can snowball your balance and actually turn it into a decent amount that you can have on your balance every day and multiply that balance every other day. So there it is, $422. Now I think we changed to 40 and we need just a few more trades before we get to $50. So let's find the entry and see what is going on. Let's go. And here we have our next entry. As you can see, stochastic oscillator is exiting the oversold condition. So, and we also have the fractal printing our green candle, green signal under the candle to enter a long position trade. So let's skip ahead to the end of this option, only 40 seconds, and see what we got. Let's go. And we are closing on this option. It seems like we're gonna secure all three, and there it is, 1 second, and the third one, we take our first loss of the day, but it is not a big deal. We only lost $40 and made over 50, so we are profiting still. We need one more successful option to lock in 500, so let's go. And here we are a little bit late. However, we're still entering a 1 minute trade here, long position. You can see stochastic oscillator is exiting the oversold condition. Schaff's trend cycle is below 25 level, and all in all, this was a perfect entry if we were not a little bit late. Maybe by 30 seconds we were a little bit late. However, I still think that we can definitely profit here on this trade. And guys, you can see how easy it is to start building from $100. All you need is to go to our YouTube channel, find a strategy that suits you, that you would love to use, and start managing your money. Don't go in more than 10% of your balance, and brick by brick you're gonna build up a foundation. Like after this session, we're already able to make $50 trades. So even if you consider like taking 3 or 4 trades a day, you are gonna be good, and you're gonna make a stable $300-400 a week. And there it is, we secure both options, and we are at $532 already. by just one short trading session, 15-20 minutes. That's what it was. So guys, once again, don't be scared. If you have $20, if you have $50 that you can trade with, if you have $100, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be rich to start making money today. So hurry up, join our private trading group. This should be your goal number one. Send Neos a message saying I want to join team, and he'll provide you with all the information on how to do that. You can join our free signals group absolutely for free by following the link in the description below. If you want to trade with a robot, which is fantastic, send Neos a message saying I want the robot at Neos Trade on Telegram, and of course all of that is going to make you a successful trader. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.